Ni mabura ma mwaka uyu makuririkana maabitha borithi aria makwiriire wira-ini wa kugitira muingi maria matongoretio ni minista ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i akinyitanira na atumia na athuri a ndigwa aria matigitwo ni maabitha aya. Ari mwaka wa gatatu gutafanio hamwe na nyumba cia aria mahurukite, mabura maya ni magwetetwo ta undu uteithiriirie kurehe hamwe atumia na athuri aria matigitwo. Riu thirikari ikiromboyania nao na njira nene.
Kumbukeni hao wajane, waangalie jinsi walivyo. Sisi wajane tunapitia mazito, tunadharauliwa, tumetengwa.
We may have lost our officers who are your spouses or members of your family, but by dint of the fact that we work together with them, you remain part and parcel of us.
Where you have a problem, it is a response to the service we are giving you back.
Maabitha 39 nio makwiriire mihang'o-ini ya kugitira muingi kuria 20 yao ni ruhonge rwa Kenya Police, 13 kuma ruhonge rwa borithi cia wathani wa matura kana AP, maabitha na kuma ruhonge rwa uthuthuria wa ciiko cia wikinae, guku maabitha eri maria kuma ruhonge rwa borithi cia njera.
We are so proud of them because we know that they died in defense of our country. They ran towards danger when everyone runs away from danger. They dress to go out there and face challenges when everyone else comes in away from the challenges.
Ona thegi ya wiruteri wa thirikari wa guteithiriria aria matigwo kumana na ikuũ ici, thina wa maabitha borithi kwaga kwandikithia atumia kana athuri yao ni ugwetetwo gukorwo ari muhinga riria abitha o wothe akwira wira-ini wake.
All our officers have to file accurate records about next of kin as we go forward. We are not asking too much. If you have not formally married, look, we have clergy here. And IG, we can encourage this clergy here to now start encouraging officers to get formally married.
Minister Matiang'i riu ni arutite ritana kuri maabitha othe kuhimbiria mutugo wa kwandikithia ihiko ciao kuri atungatiri a dini ciothe ruhonge-ini ruru. Marutiirwo ritana ria kwambiriria gutabania mohiki mahuthu kuri maabitha aya aria othe metekira gukinya makinya maya.
We have our bishops here. We have worship places within our services. Let's go there. Let's wed you formally and let the Inspector General have the records. This is my wife. So that, unfortunately, and God forbid, when something goes wrong, we are not struggling with people who are emerging, because virtually any Alice or Mary or Jane will turn up.
Matiang'i no eranire gutigirira maabitha othe a borithi aria makwirire wira-ini ni makinyirio kihoto kiao, akiuga gutire munyamaria wao tagatungana na guoko kwa watho. Thirikari kuhitukira minista ugitiri wa thiini Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ni meranire kunyitirira family iria ciatigwo ni endu ao ruhonge-ini rwa borithi, guku makihoya maabitha ruhonge-ini ruru gukorwo makianirira atumia kana athuri yao niguo gwithemana na ndogamano riria gikuũ kiaumira. Handũ-ini ya Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.